So at this point, you guys have seen Palantir. It's been on a crazy run, or at least I hope you've seen the stock. Either way, it's up 130, almost 131% year to date, up around, well, I guess exactly $8.40. And this is mostly due to their earnings less than a month ago, where the company ended up reporting GAAP profitability. And now we're going to see, hopefully, more consistent profits on a GAAP basis out of this company. And what does this mean, guys? Well, now the floodgates have been opened. In other words, a lot of these big institutions, these big firms, hedge funds that were waiting on the sidelines, they were waiting for Palantir to become profitable on a GAAP basis and hopefully show consistent profitability, which now they're there. These big firms were waiting for that, and now that we have that, they're starting to buy the stock heavily, and all the shorts that were short the stock, well, they're covering, and that's the combination we're seeing right now. We're seeing short squeezes, a lot of shorts covering, and a lot of big monies coming into the stock. I mean, look at this, guys. The stock was at around $7.50 roughly before earnings, right around here, not even 3-4 weeks ago, and now it just hit over $15 per share as I'm making this video. Unbelievable, guys. So we're talking more than a double up, 105, 110% move here on Palantir, and it does not look like it wants to slow down anytime soon.